Pay very close attention because I'm about to show you 12 simple habits that will keep your home clean and organized without a housekeeper and without spending hours every day. You know those people whose homes always look neat, calm, and put together almost effortlessly? Meanwhile, others feel like no matter how hard they try, the house gets messy again and again. Let me tell you a simple truth. That's not luck, it's not talent, and it's not a gift. It's habit. When you change your habits, your home changes with them. And if content like this helps you, go ahead and hit the like button now, because that tells YouTube this video is worth sharing with more people who need to break the cycle of chaos and finally create real order at home. Here's what most people miss. A messy house is rarely just a house problem. It becomes a constant background stress that drains your energy all day. You walk past clutter and your brain quietly logs it as unfinished business. That's why you can be tired even when you haven't done much. Your mind is carrying all those little "I need to deal with that" reminders. And the good news is, you don't need a perfect schedule or a perfectly clean home to feel peace. What you need is a system that makes your home bounce back to normal quickly. Think of it like this. You're not trying to eliminate mess forever. You're building the ability to reset your space fast, so your home supports you instead of adding pressure. There's a quote that fits perfectly here. Discipline isn't doing something big once. It's doing the small things right, every single day. And this matches a biblical principle of faithfulness and consistency. Jesus said, "Whoever is faithful with little will also be faithful with much." Luke 16:10. So today, I'm giving you 12 habits in a simple, practical order, so you can keep your home clean and organized, even if you work all day, even if you're tired, and even if you barely have time. And just to be clear, you don't need to become the cleaning person who lives with a cloth in hand. That's not the point. The goal is to create a home that stays organized almost automatically because you stop letting chaos grow. And there's a verse I love for this. God is not a God of confusion, but of peace. 1 Corinthians 14:33. Creating order in your home is also creating a peaceful atmosphere inside it. Before we begin, make a small commitment. Comment below, "I choose to live in order." You're not just typing a phrase, you're deciding to stop living in improvisation, clutter, and silent chaos. And here's something important. Your environment affects your mind. When the house is chaotic, your thoughts become chaotic. When the house is in order, you feel lighter, calmer, more in control. The Bible talks about the wisdom of caring for a home. By wisdom, a house is built, and through understanding, it is established. Through knowledge, its rooms are filled with rare and beautiful treasures. Proverbs 24:3-4. Habit 1 is to make your bed as soon as you get up. People argue about this habit, but here's what matters. Know yourself. If you know that if you don't make the bed right away, you won't come back to it later, then do it immediately. It's a simple way to start the day with order and discipline. The bed is the biggest visual element in the room, and when it's made, your brain registers that everything is in place. Habit 2 is taking your shoes off at the door. Simple rule. Outside shoes stay outside. This cuts down most of the dirt in your home. It's an easy way to protect your environment and stop outside mess from spreading through the house. And if you're enjoying this so far, make sure to subscribe, because here I teach organization in a practical, realistic way, not perfectionism. Habit 3 is giving every item a home. Most mess doesn't happen because of laziness. It happens because people don't know where things go. When everything has a place, clutter doesn't appear out of nowhere, and your mind feels lighter. Habit 4 is never leaving a room worse than you found it. The rule is simple: walk in, use it, and leave it a little better. This prevents mess from building up and saves you hours later. Habit 5 is if it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. 2 minutes to wash a mug? Do it now. 2 minutes to take out the bathroom trash? Do it now. 2 minutes to put something away? Do it now. This is everyday diligence, stopping the small things from piling up into something heavy. Habit 6 is doing a 10-minute reset at the end of the day. Before bed, set a timer and do a quick sweep. Put things away, clear the counters, tidy the living room, leave the kitchen ready for tomorrow. You go to sleep lighter and wake up without chaos waiting for you. Quick pause. Think of someone who always says they don't have time and their home is always a mess. Share this video with them. These habits can truly change someone's daily life.
Habit 7 is doing what you can when you can. Life is rarely perfect. You won't always have an hour to clean, and that's fine. Do what you can with the time you have. 10 minutes? Use 10. 5 minutes? Use 5. Small, consistent progress prevents buildup. Habit 8 is stopping the habit of keeping useless stuff. Old boxes, random containers, broken things. Just in case I need this someday, items create physical and mental weight. And the Bible reminds us, a man's life does not consist in the abundance of his possessions. Luke 12:15. When you declutter, you create space, clarity, and peace. Habit 9 is having a simple cleaning schedule. A schedule removes stress because you don't have to think about everything at once. Break it into daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. Start with the daily ones. They're the foundation. Habit 10 is cleaning as you cook. This is a lifesaver. While the food is on the stove, rinse what you used, wipe the counter, put ingredients away. You finish cooking with almost nothing left to clean. Habit 11 is timing your tasks. Many people procrastinate not because they're lazy, but because they assume things take longer than they actually do. When you time tasks, you learn the truth. Vacuuming might be 12 minutes. A quick bathroom wipe might be 10. Folding laundry might be 7. Knowing the real numbers helps you stop saying, "I don't have time." Habit 12 is doing things with presence. Most stress comes from doing one thing while thinking about another. If you're washing dishes, wash dishes. If you're cleaning, clean. There's a verse that fits perfectly here. Whatever you do it with all your heart, as unto the Lord. Colossians 3:23. Doing things with presence makes even the simple tasks lighter and more meaningful. To truly feel the difference, don't try to apply all 12 habits at once. Pick 2 to start today and stick to them for a week. Then add 1 or 2 more. That's how your home starts running smoothly, because habits start becoming automatic. And don't fall into the perfectionism trap. A lived-in home will never look like a magazine, and it shouldn't. The goal is not perfection. The goal is control, peace, and a life that flows. In the end, organization isn't about having a perfect house. It's about having a calmer mind, lighter days, and a home that supports your life instead of draining your energy. If this video made sense to you, like the video, subscribe, and comment which habit you already have and which one you're starting today. And share this with someone who needs to escape the silent chaos and build a peaceful home.